Wall-mounted folding benches turn tight entryways into practical seating and storage without stealing floor space. Choose a fold-down bench with an integrated cubby below when you need both quick seating and organized storage. Mount the unit at seat height plus 2 inches using wall studs or high-quality toggle anchors for hollow walls, and use a level to ensure the seat folds flush. A hinged bench that converts into a wall shelf doubles as display space when closed. Secure the hinge with stainless steel hardware and add a simple magnetic catch so the bench stays closed during swings or when small children are nearby. Collapsible seat pads with straps are lightweight and allow you to fold the bench faster while keeping cushions tidy. Use non-slip backing or hook and loop strips to prevent sliding and store extra pads in the cubby or on a top shelf. Consider a drop leaf bench with an internal shoe compartment for narrow entryways because the leaf tucks down for daily use and lifts up for full access to footwear storage. Fit soft close hinges to avoid abrupt slams. Hook and bench combined units give immediate hanging for coats and bags while offering a bench surface. Space hooks 3 to 4 inches apart for small items and place the lowest hook at about 4 feet for children and guests. For any installation, measure twice, pre-drill pilot holes for hardwood studs, and test the fold mechanism several times under load to confirm stability before regular use. The 3 common mistakes are underestimating hardware strength, ignoring clearance, and choosing impractical storage layouts. Using light-duty screws or anchors for a loaded bench causes wobble and potential failure, so always match fasteners to the weight rating and wall type. Failing to check clearance leads to benches that hit doors or block walkways, so simulate the full open and closed positions with a taped board before final mounting. Designing deep internal compartments without access makes stored items hard to reach, so opt for shallower cubbies, pull-out trays, or removable bins to keep things visible and accessible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and supplies a discussion community where we share installation tips and project photos related to folding wall benches. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase completed projects and join conversations with homeowners looking for practical storage solutions.